everyone. So tonight I'm bringing the second installment of Ginger's Who Cares Kitchen, and I'll be making some creepy witch finger cookies tonight. Oh, I already went ahead and mixed my ingredients. We got flour, powdered sugar, almond extract, vanilla extract, a little bit of baking powder, and a little bit of salt, some butter and eggs, and or egg, and we mixed it all together. Again, like I did last time, I'll add the recipe into the description there so you can make them if you'd like. All right, so all that's left to do right now with the dough here is to add some green food coloring to get our green finger color for a witch. If I can get it open. There we go. All right, so we'll just add a few drops until we get it to the right green. A little more than a few drops, but yeah. All right, so got a nice little consistency going here. Little creepy green. A wicked witch of the west here. Or, yeah, one of them. All right. Tilt that way from the camera for a little bit. Easier to mix it together. Down. I think that's a little too minty looking. Stir it a little bit more here. Yeah, we got kind of like a minty Irish color here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more green to get that right monstery witchy look. When I say a little bit, I mean a lot of it. All right. Starting to get somewhere here. Nice little arm workout. Yeah, I found that using a hand mixer does not work well with cookie dough through experience. So I'm using my Princess Leia spatula. Works really good. And the force is with me, right? All right, so I think we're just about there with the green. I like this green we got going on here. Don't want it too green. We don't want it like Christmas. All right, I lied. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, and once we get this mixed together, we're gonna, oh yeah, this is much better. Wrap it up, and then we gotta let it chill in the fridge with a beer for 30 minutes, and then we'll be set to take the next step with our fingers. Take that how you want to take it. All right, see, I think that's a nice green. So we're gonna roll with that. And now I'm gonna wrap it up like I said and throw it or place it nicely in the fridge for 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and finish them up. All right, so our dough is nice and chilled and relaxed and a pretty little green color here. So the next step is to roll them into finger shapes. So let me move some stuff around here. Okay, so I'm gonna use my little scooper here, scoop out a little bit. Get a little decent size here. Oven's ready. And we're gonna roll them into a finger or a slug or a caterpillar, whatever. Okay. Get a nice cigar looking shape here. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you ever looked at a witch's finger and they're all crooked and gross looking. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna push together to make the little indent for the knuckle area here. And then we're gonna take our little toothpick and we're gonna make little lines little indentations here, and then in the knuckle area to give it that finger appearance. And then we're gonna take our little blanched almonds, which I couldn't find in the store like that. So what I did, I took a can of almonds with the shell on it still, or the skin, whatever. And you bring water to a boil, dump your almonds in there, boil for exactly a minute, drain them, put them in a thing of ice water for a few minutes, and then the almond here comes right out of the skin. So what we're gonna do with this here, see if I can just stop messing my finger up, is we're gonna take it, we're gonna push that almond right in there, just like that. So it gives a look of a fingernail there. That one's gonna come out a little interesting looking, I think. All right, so we're gonna, just do a few more of these. It's actually a lot of fun. Gonna have to make some of these and take them to work for Halloween when it gets a little closer, since people like to frown upon that fact it's not October yet, and I'm really excited about Halloween. And as soon as it hits September 1st, it's game on. We don't have much time for Christmas starts creeping in. So you want to make sure you press that almond in firmly so it bakes around it. Well, not that firmly. Oops. Okay, and like always, if this is your first time checking out my channel and this video, and if you want, you can check out the rest of my content, and please hit that subscribe button. Show your girl some love. I have videos that come out weekly. I do live streams on here with my gaming, and I'm always trying out some different stuff. So if you hit that subscribe button, make sure you get the notifications as well, so you're notified when new stuff drops weekly. You can also follow me on social media at Instagram, Facebook, Ginger Slaps with a Z, and then on Twitter, it's Ginger6. And then I do live streams every Saturday night at 9 o'clock on Twitch, and that's also Ginger Slaps. All right, so I'm gonna continue doing this, and then we're gonna throw them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, let them bake. This is what they look like right here. I'll fix that. And then, yeah, so once they're done baking, we'll come back to it and finish them up. All right, guys, so our cookies are done baking and they're cooled off. When you pull them out of the oven, let them cool for about 3 minutes on a cooling rack. And this is what we got here. They're a little bit thicker, maybe look a little bit more like monster fingers, but note that maybe you should roll them a little bit thinner, make them a little bit more bonier looking, like a witch finger. All right, so there you have it. There's our finger, we got our knuckle, we have our little indentations, and we have our fingernail here. So our last step with this is we're going to pull out the fingernail, place that to the side, and then we're gonna take our tube of red decorating gel, and we're gonna put that right in the cavity here. I'm gonna put a lot in there because you wanna push it down in there and make it ooze like it's a bloody fingernail. So I'm just gonna push it in like that, and there you go. So we have our final product here. So I'm gonna continue doing the rest of these witch fingers here. And this poor little guy right here kind of had a little accident when I was putting on the cooling rack. So I'm gonna try to put it back together with the red gel, make it look like it's a little bloody finger. So we'll just go ahead and do that real quick. Not too shabby. Oh, didn't work. Who cares? So we'll just go ahead and finish these up here. So again, if you enjoyed this, I'm going to be doing more videos like this throughout the holidays, even Thanksgiving, Christmas. More to come. So hit that subscribe button and the notification so you're notified when my next video drops. Right. These cookies are actually a lot of fun to make. Pretty easy. Nothing to them. Just a oopsie, a little rough. That's okay. So just trying to give you a good view of what I'm doing here. Might be a little too much, but they're witch fingers. They don't have to be perfect. There you go. Easy. We'll rub that one in. Just about done here, and then we'll be done with this little segment. I'm not sure what I'll be doing next, but hopefully this weekend this coming weekend, I'll have another video coming out for you guys. Maybe cupcakes, cake pops, more cookies, who knows? An oozy good time over here. Last one, just slide that bad boy in there. And we got a bloody fingernail. All right, guys, there you have it. I am a mess. So I'm just gonna slide this on over here. Well, you can kind of see it right there. I'll hold a couple up again. There you go, there you have it. Spooky, creepy, green witch fingers for Halloween. There it, guys. Thank you for joining me tonight, and drop a picture in the comments if you happen to bake these cookies, all right? All right, have a good night. Almost forgot one important thing, to try my product. That's good. I highly recommend baking these for your Halloween party, or if you have kids and you want to, you know, a little potluck. Sorry. All right, guys. Now I'm gone for good. Until next time, have a good night.